Sorry, I'm having my second pot of noodles. So, that is my configuration. Basically, I got the one rain tarp is going over the top, just to give me first dibs protection, basically. The other one is attached at both ends like this, so it's as close to me as you can get before it bends the frame of the hammock. The thing is, if the wind hits it too much, it just goes flump to the side. However, with my oven ready, it's now called oven ready. It's also meant to be waterproof, so if it does piss down, I'm just going to roll myself up in it. The main reason for this one as well is that even though the Bergen's water resistant, I'd rather have it with some protection, just in case it does rain in the night. It's not meant to rain till about 3 in the morning. But yeah, should be alright. Keep us going for a bit like. And of course the biggest danger, where have they gone? Those pretty little things over there. They're circling me. 2 sheep. Oh no, the lambs here, not sheep. Don't want them too old. And I'm guessing they've been nesting here. It's called nesting, the sheep. Because where like the main like crap is. It's also where I nest. And I think that could be the reason. They smelt my piss and they decided, oh, someone's been sleeping here. It must be cosy. Because there's plenty of trees they can go and hide under, but they're just circling me. Getting closer and closer each time. You're not my types here. Oh no no. But yeah. Sun's gone down over North Hill, and it is getting fucking cold. So it's quite funny. I did put a few more stitches into the old hammock, which is underneath the new one. Of course, it tore, but it's still doing the job, which is giving me that extra layer underneath, because it's still there, even though it's ripped. So it's 2 extra layers underneath the hammock. And with this wind, I mean, if it's this bloody nippy now. I mean, I spent 20 years on the run. I've been a biker for too many decades, really. So I'm used to the cold. But there's something about this wind. I don't know if it's a damp in the wind or what it is. But it cuts right through you. So, noodle time. I bet it's killing time till the fire burns out completely, which is pretty much. Only a few little glow bits left. And then I can go and snuggle up for an hour. Of course, sitting here is comfy, but fucking cold. Yeah, I've no coat, no jacket, no waterproof. I do have my army jumper thing, but honestly, I can't be asked. Oh, it's going to be a rough night with these fucking sheep. Not in that way. I'm not Welsh. Not in that way. It's the noise. Noisy baggers. So as I don't eat the hammock, I don't mind. I just don't want to wake up and find holes eating into everything. Nibbly little buggers.